Good evening. It's not just more people catching the virus. People are also getting sicker. By the end of the week, Governor Beshear expects more COVID patients in the hospital than at any other time during the pandemic.
Victor Puente has the stern warning from Governor Beshear first on Fox.
Governor Andy Beshear talked about how close Kentucky's hospitals are to filling up. He also talked about how the situation in the southern states with COVID is impacting hospitals here. With hospitals in the southern half of the country running out of room, Governor Andy Beshear said it may not be long before Kentucky joins them. They expect to set a record this week for the number of people hospitalized for COVID-19 in the Commonwealth.
What this also means is we are very close to all of our hospitals being full. It is something that we may well see here in the Commonwealth.
The state's commissioner for public health said not only were some hospitals around the state already postponing or canceling procedures that would require hospitalization, but they expected other people to face dire consequences because of all the resources the virus is using.
There are going to be people across the country who die who have nothing to do with COVID because all the COVID people they don't believe in are in the hospital filling up all the beds.
During the briefing, they also discussed the guidelines for the third COVID booster shot. The Kentucky Department of Public Health deemed everyone in long-term care facilities to be eligible.
For everyone else in the general population, these are the individuals, people with these type of conditions, who are identified as being eligible.
And unlike the previous surge, Governor Beshear said he doesn't have any plans to build field hospitals. He listed two main reasons. The first, hospitals now have surge plans. The second is an issue of manpower.
It's not the number of beds that are limiting, it's who staffs them. It's having enough nurses and doctors right now working all of their shifts.
Well, Dr. Stack talked about the low flu and RSV numbers from last year as showing the impact of masks. And while the coronavirus is more contagious, he said that it does help stop the spread. In Frankfort, Victor Puente, Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
Governor Beshear said we have around 500,000 doses of COVID vaccine available in Kentucky right now and can order more if needed.